Hi, and a very good day to all. In this tutorial today, we would like to see how to display the DHT11 sensor value on the dual alphanumeric display using Maker Uno. For this tutorial, you will need a Maker Uno, groove-based shield, dual alphanumeric display, and a DHT11 sensor. All the connections are done as shown in the video. After connecting the groove-based shield, next, connect the DHT11 to D2 port, and next connect the alphanumeric display to the I2C port. Now we are ready to program our device. To program our device, we will use the Arduino IDE and we will need to use two additional libraries. Once we have uploaded the code, now we are ready to run our project. Hope you have enjoyed our tutorial session for today. We shall meet in our next tutorial. Until then, thank you and bye-bye.